All right, let's talk verbs. Did you know that every single verb in the English language is secretly on one of two teams? Seriously. And once you get this simple little distinction, it's like a massive grammar shortcut. So let's unlock it.
So what could jump and believe possibly have in common? I mean, on the surface, absolutely nothing, right? One is something you can actually see someone do. The other, that's all happening inside your head. But here's the thing. They're both verbs. And figuring out their one big difference is going to make your life so much easier.
Okay, first up, let's meet team action. I love calling them this. These are your energetic verbs, the get up and go players in the game of grammar. They are, you guessed it, all about doing stuff. And really, that's their entire deal. Action verbs are all about, well, action. If you can physically do the thing, chances are it's an action verb. Here's a super easy way to think about it. If you can pull out your phone and film someone doing the verb, it's on team action. It's all about that visible performance. I mean, look at these classic examples. You can see someone run. You can watch an athlete jump. You can film a writer as they, well, write. See? They're all clear, physical things you can actually record on camera.
Okay, so that's team action. Now let's meet the other side of a coin. Team being. These guys are the complete opposite. They're the thinkers, the feelers, kind of like the philosophers of the verb world. It's all about what's happening on the inside. So yeah, totally unlike team action, these verbs aren't about what you do. They're about what you are, what you feel, or what you think. You can't really take a picture of someone knowing something, can you? It's all happening in their head. It's a totally internal state. Just think about it for a second. Love. That's a powerful feeling, right? It's a state you're in. To know something, that's all about mental awareness. And to believe something, that's a conviction you hold. These are huge, important parts of being human, but they aren't physical actions. They happen right inside your mind and your heart. All right, so we've got our two teams, team action and team being. The big question is, how do you know, like, instantly, which team a verb is on? Well, it all boils down to one super simple rule. This is it, the grammar showdown, the one key that unlocks the whole thing. And here it is. This is the big secret, the ultimate takeaway. All you have to do is ask yourself one question. Is this something I can do, or is this something I feel or think? That's it. If you can do it, it's an action verb. If you feel or think it, it's a non-action verb. Simple, right? That's the whole secret. Okay, you ready? Quick pop quiz time. Let's test this rule right now. The verb is remember. So ask the question. Is remembering something you physically do, or is it something that just happens in your mind? Team action or team being? What do you think?
You got it. It's a thinking verb. You don't do remembering in the same way you do running, right? It's a mental process, so that puts it squarely on team being. It's a non-action verb. See? The rule works. Every single time.
So you might be wondering, okay, cool, but why does this even matter? Well, knowing this one difference helps you build way better sentences. For example, you normally can't use these team being verbs with ing. You wouldn't say, I am knowing the answer. That just sounds kind of weird, right? You'd say, I know the answer. So this little rule automatically cleans up your writing and just makes you sound way more natural. Look, if you forget everything else from this explainer, remember this one thing. Burn it into your brain. Action equals do. Non-action equals feel or think. It is hands down the easiest, fastest way to get this right and really master a part of English grammar that trips a lot of people up. And that's it. That's our tale of two verbs. See? This one little rule proves that grammar doesn't have to be this big, scary, complicated thing. It kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple tricks and powerful secrets are just hiding in plain sight? Something to think about. Thanks so much